Halcyon is a unique environment in which the teachers and the staff really understand the students, who that person is, who that person wants to become, what their passions are, what their values are. It turns education and wraps it around the child to make that person flourish.
We are about delivering skills that can be applied from one subject to another area to life.
So you're really learning a whole area, and you understand the different paths between different subjects.
Because it's quite a small school, it's easier to ask questions and get more help from teachers, and it feels a lot more personal.
It's reignited sort of my passion for education, just because the IB system is very different from the GCSE and the A-level system.
Instead of just kind of writing down what we want to do, we're actually living and breathing our pedagogy. And the school does what they think is in the best interests of the students and the staff. They're not trying to model the school after any other school.
Inbuilt in all of our systems is this drive to innovate, to challenge, and to really provide the best education we can for everybody in the community.
Halcyon has shaped my child to understand that there is a wider world out there and give him context of different viewpoints and different ways of doing things.
You have more of a chance to focus in on things that you feel more passionate about and interested in.
We're not really pushed to go in certain directions. It's really useful to figure out on your own what you want to do, and you still have support from teachers.
I truly love the community. We've really embraced international mindedness.
I felt very welcomed as soon as I stepped foot into the building.
Halcyon School is like a unique place. Everybody's different here.
Students feel safe. They feel that they are treated like adults, and they just feel like human beings.
People here just accept you for who you are and who you want to be.
The parents are getting together, the kids are together, and the learning is happening everywhere.
I'm surrounded by extraordinary people doing amazing things, and it does feel like magic, and it's a beautiful thing to watch.
If I had to describe Halcyon in 3 words, it would have to be open, enjoyable, and valuable.
Exciting, unexpected, and fulfilling.
Energizing, motivating, and active.
Innovation, well-being, and excellence.